Hello everyone, welcome to day 68 of my road to $100,000 a month in e-commerce. Just more work on the profile, the product page. Just about all the copy's done. Just need to do reviews, all the images, any GIFs or videos that I'll have, and set everything up in the back end for like the product with Shopify. So should only take 4 hours, I reckon, if that, to finish all that. And then it's just get the ads built, and then get a test out. Yeah, that's how we're looking. And into tomorrow. And into testing. And I'll try and get, well, the aim will be to get some more product research done and find some more potential products, pending how this one's going to go. So that's where we're at.